Ants are fascinating creatures that have been around for over 100 million years. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, making them one of the most widespread species on Earth. Ants are social insects and live in colonies, which can range from a few dozen to millions of individuals. Each colony is led by a queen ant, who is responsible for laying eggs and ensuring the survival of the colony. The workers in an ant colony are responsible for foraging for food, caring for the young, and maintaining the nest. They communicate with each other using a combination of chemical signals and touch. Ants are known for their incredible strength. A single ant can carry up to 50 times its own body weight. This is possible due to their strong exoskeleton and powerful legs. Ants are also known for their advanced behavior, such as farming, herding, and even warfare. Some species of ant cultivate fungi as a food source, while others herd aphids to feed on the honeydew they excrete. Ants are also important for the ecosystem. They help to aerate soil, recycle nutrients, and control pests. In fact, ants are responsible for breaking down dead wood in forests, helping to create new habitats for other organisms. Ants are also a vital part of human agriculture. They are used to control pests in crops, and some species are farmed for food and medicine. In short, ants are tiny superheroes that play a crucial role in the natural world. They are incredible creatures that have adapted to a wide range of environments and have developed advanced behaviors to survive. So the next time you see an ant, take a moment to appreciate its strength, intelligence, and importance in the world.